What is up guys, TechRax here. So in this video I have the brand new iPhone 12 in my hands. Now we're going to be doing a drop test with the last year's model, the iPhone 11, and this year Apple claims that they have the strongest glass ever. It's called Ceramic Shield and it's supposed to be a 4 times improved drop performance. That's a bold statement guys, so I want to just put that to the test and see what happens with this durability drop test. So without any further ado guys, let's go straight into this. So we're going to start with the iPhone 11. This is last year's model and we're just going to do one simple 5.5 foot side drop test. So before we do anything, we're just going to do a side drop test for the iPhone 11, 5.5 feet. Let's see what happens. Dropping in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, there it is. Surprisingly guys, that side drop test held up pretty well for the iPhone 11. We just literally have one little marking here on the corner. Other than that, the glass is perfectly fine on the back. It's fine on the front. Now the same drop test except for the iPhone 12 Pro. So this is the even stronger Ceramic Shield glass and this is where it's going to be really fascinating. So let's go ahead and drop this phone from the side 5.5 feet. And side drop test for the iPhone 12 Pro in 3, 2, 1. There we go. So a little bit of a different landing there, but again, same exact height. We had a side drop test. Front looks good already. There's no cracks. Looking at the back, and it's worth taking note guys, there are quite a bit of scuffings on this phone from that drop. So we have this little impression here in the corner. Does wipe away, but you could see it. It's noticeable. It's white and you could see it sticking out. Looking on the side here, you can actually see these little areas, white scratches as well, kind of white markings going all around. So now front facing drop test with the iPhone 11. Let's go ahead and do this in 3, 2, 1. Pretty interesting to see right there. Let's go ahead and analyze now what happened. So yes, front facing drop test, we already have that crack, very expectable. And now the iPhone 12 Pro drop test. Let's go ahead and do this in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Front is not cracked. Tons of scuffing already all around the edges. I mean, very noticeable to the eye right now. I'm going to flip the phone over. Back is good. Okay, I'm impressed already. So iPhone 12 Pro is definitely winning right now. And now guys, one last final drop test, both phones at the same time. Side drop test, a little higher. We're going to go about 6 feet. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. And there you go guys, both phones landed. It seems like they almost hit each other too. So we're going to take a look at the iPhone 11 here. Still looking good. Cracked a lot more here now at the bottom. Flipping it over. Okay, no cracks there. So that's surprising. And taking a look at that iPhone 12 Pro. Still no cracks. So I think this year, guys, Apple really did prove it. I'm not seeing any cracks at all. So just a whole bunch of those scuffs at the edges once again. Looking at the back. Back survived as well. Conclusion is we got a cracked iPhone 11 here on the front. The back looks good. A little corner ding here. This side looks clear. Phone is overall in not too bad shape, besides of course a cracked glass. And with the iPhone 12 Pro, no cracked front glass, no cracked back glass, and the only kind of areas of concern guys are as follows. A bunch of these little white scratches and spots that are basically they're visible. I mean, they're pretty bothersome, I would imagine, if I'm using the phone all the time. And looking at one of the corners here, you could see there's a little bit of a significant area from the drops as well. So this side and this side as well. But other than that, guys, the phone held up pretty well. And it's surprising to say that. I think definitely the iPhone 12 Pro is actually a significant improvement in terms of drops. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.